Welcome to Luminous Mastery, where we explore the science behind the golden and blue hours in photography. These times of day offer fundamentally different lighting conditions that can dramatically affect your images. Photography literally means writing with light. To truly master the craft, you must see the light, understand it, and learn how to use it effectively to create compelling visuals. Nature provides the best light, which is constantly changing. Professional photographers understand this and plan their work around the position of the sun, as it dictates the schedule for the best light. During the golden hour, the sun sits low on the horizon. The thick atmosphere filters out blue light, allowing only the warm colors to reach the earth. This creates that characteristic golden glow. These low angles and diffused light create soft textures. The warm tones can hide skin blemishes, and the long shadows add depth, resulting in a three-dimensional effect and diffused warmth. A technique called backlighting, placing the sun behind your subject during the golden hour, creates a glowing halo. This separation makes your subject stand out dramatically from the background. As the sun drops below the horizon, we enter the blue hour. The upper atmosphere catches the escaping rays, scattering the light and turning the world a cool, tranquil blue. During the blue hour, the sky acts as a massive diffuser, eliminating virtually all shadows. This provides incredibly even illumination everywhere, making the light feel like a giant dim light bulb. The blue hour is ideal for cityscapes. The deep blue skies, combined with the warm yellow city lights, create a striking complementary color contrast, generating massive visual impact. Avoid shooting during the midday sun. The sun sits directly overhead, casting harsh facial shadows, particularly around the eyes, and the extreme contrast can wash out landscape colors. If you must shoot during the day, seek open shade. Moving your subject under a tree or beside a tall building allows the shade to diffuse the harsh overhead light, acting like a softbox. Thick clouds create totally flat light, eliminating shadows entirely. Overcast skies are perfect for close-up and macro details, enhancing the fine textures of your subject. Always review your creative goal and match the visual effect to your subject. Choose your light source accordingly, whether it's the golden hour for portraits or the blue hour for cityscapes. To train your eye, observe the daily transformation of light. Look at a simple object, like a brick building, in the morning and again in the late afternoon, and notice how the texture changes dramatically. Stop seeing objects and start seeing the light itself. By mastering the science of the golden and blue hours, you can elevate your craft and master the profession of photography.